Hello, my name is Nicholas Lang and I just finished my driving test at ATX in Austin. I started by applying to the ATX in Leander for my driving test. I took a few classes with them and I started with Professor Dolan, and he was very thorough in all of his explanations on what I was doing wrong and things to improve on. And since I only had him for 2 classes, on the second class, he was very adamant on a lot of the things I should be working on, a lot of my attention focusing, which I struggled with at first, but after enough practice, I got that down very well. Then I had 2 classes with Miss Tucker, and she worked on my left and right hand turns and my merging lanes. She was super nice. She explained a lot of things that I didn't even understand at first. For example, when taking a left or right turn, if you press on the gas while taking your turn, it will straighten the wheel, and it's super helpful. I wish I did that a little bit sooner. But she was great. I had an amazing time, and then I came here to Austin at ATX, and I took my driving test with, you never hear me. And he was very polite, showed me everything that was going to happen during the test. I then took it with him, and it went really smoothly, super comfortable, and I passed my test today.
Good job, Nick. Thank you very much.
This is my mom.